Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Brad down in Mississippi on this Truckerized Ranger RCI 99N2. Brad got it ready to go for you, bud. The Truckerized tune is going to consist of the tuning alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic cap upgrades, wide banding of the transmit and receiver section, a static 636 mic, the video, and some other little works in there. So let's just get right to it. RF power all the way down, 100-watt slug. We got you set at 4 watts. That way if you decide to run an 8 pill or something, you get full adjustability. 50 watts all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Low, well, 100 watts in the corner. Let's go to the 250 watt scale and average power. Low, 125 bird average. Peak power, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Puts that 250 watt slug right over in that corner. All right, Brad, it's ready to come to you, bud. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. You've been truckerized. Boom, boom.